Hello guys and what's up? Welcome back to my video. This is your host Kiros para sa Kiros TV. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. And on this video, we will continue our gameplay dito sa Legend of Ligaya. So this is the part 4 of our game. And I would like to invite everyone to please follow my page, like and share my video guys. Sa Facebook yan at sa YouTube. Just search lang Kiros TV mga ka-gamers. So follow nyo lang yung page ko at i-like ang mga videos at i-share nyo. Malaking tulong na to sa akin mga ka-gamers. Okay? So now, we will continue our game. So as you can see, we are now level 8. So from my previous video, nag-stop tayo dito at level 6. So I will show you now na ako ay level 8 based on the condition sa aking status. So, Kiros TV is now level 8. And si Gimard is level 9 na. So, from level 4, previously, ngayon level 9 na. So, max level niya na is 9. So, at this point, we will continue our adventure. So, we will head north. Okay? So, lalabas na tayo dito sa castle. And our destination is Mount Ricorua. Kasi ang goal natin doon is to awaken the Genesis tree. Okay? So, open yung gate dun sa mountain. So, let's head north. So, paano natin makikita kung nasaan ang Mount Ricorua? So, let's press L1. So, ayan. Yung nasa gitna ang Mount Ricorua. Okay? Diyan tayo pupunta ngayon. So, diretso lang tayo. Ayan na. Siyempre, may encounter tayong enemies dito. So, this is very simple. Madali na itong laruin. At dahil mas mataas na ang level natin kaysa sa dati, madali na natin matatalo itong kalaban. So guys, by the way nga pala, for those who want na magpa-shoutout sa aking video, sa susunod na video, comment below lang sa comment section guys kung sinong gusto magpa-shoutout, and then sa susunod kong video, i-shoutout ko kayo doon, okay? So, I'm inviting everyone guys. Okay. Nandito na tayo sa Mount Ricorua. So, sabi ni Meta ay, Kiros TV, I sense a presence of Raseru. So, meron pa siyang nasa-sense na Raseru like me, sabi niya. So, let's hurry on the top. Our friends must be there. Okay, I think we have another character. So, as we progress, no, meron tayong additional na character na possible i-control natin. So, her original name is Noah. So, we will keep that. Is this the name okay? Yes. Noah. Where are you? Your mother needs you. Okay? Noah. It's so dark here. Noah. Okay? Noah, I want to see you. I need you, Noah. Okay, so ang pangalan ng Raseru ngayon is si Terra. Sa una is Meta, ngayon si Terra na siya. Okay? So I think this is a wind type Raseru. Okay? Are you having a bad dream? No. Oh, I guess you just don't want to tell me about it. Listen to me, you must always remember your dreams, no matter how painful they may be. Dreams will tell you about the future. So, pwede natin tong kontrolin, I guess. Kasi ito na yung susunod nating hero or character. So, I think we will follow her. So, ayan. Tingnan natin ang condition ni Noah. So, this is level 1. Attribute niya is wind. So, we don't have any skills yet. No magic, no arts. Very plain. So, okay. Make it snappy. Now I have to teach you. Now follow me. Sundan lang daw natin si Terra. So, saan siya nagpunta? Yun. Noah, I have taught you much, but I wonder if it is sinking in. So, it's now for... Yeah, so may question siya. When the mist is around you, which is the combination that result chaos? So, I guess the answer dito is zero and human. Okay, good. A zero touched by the mist begins to act on its own. Okay? So, you must be careful. Kasi dito sa world ng Ligaya, ang Zero Monster is ginagamit ng tao for additional strength for their daily lives. But since may mist, ito yung parang substance na nagkakos kung bakit nagkakaroon ng enrage yung mga Zero at nagiging halimaw sila. Literally, halimaw na sila pero nagiging wild. Now for the second test, listen carefully. What is it that when we revive uses powers another world to push back? So ano daw? Genesis 3 syempre. Okay. So I guess may item dito. This is healing shroom. Okay. Okay. Dire-diretso lang siguro tayo dito. Now for the last question, listen very carefully. Which Genesis 3 is closest to us? Mount Ripu, Roa. Okay, for the yung pinaka-bottom. Okay. So kanina, si Von is nasa Drake Castle, north side. Ngayon, si Noah naman is nasa Snowdrift Cave. So, meaning to say, nasa southern part na yung Mount Ricorua. So, yun ang pupuntahan dapat natin para ma-revive yung Genesis 3. Dire-diretso lang tayo dito sa baba. Okay. Okay, sige. So, I think we will train ourselves here. So, ang gagawin natin, ilo-learn natin yung mga arts ni Noah. So, again, meron ako ditong list na pwede natin gamitin para makomplete natin easily yung mga moves ni Noah. Okay? Okay. So, I have the copy here. Let's begin. So, I guess we will use spirit muna. Okay. Attack command. Mas mahaba siya. So, let's check kung ilang moves na pwede natin ilagay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kagad. So, I guess, pwede natin gawing dalawang moves kagad. So, up, down, then down, down. Begin. Nasa lang. So, I guess isa lang pala yung nakuha kasi not enough yung AP natin. Okay, sige, okay lang. Another combo is right down, right, left down. Sonic Javelin. Lizard. So, yun ang goal natin dito. Learn natin yung mga available na arts na pwedeng gamitin. So, high-low high kanina. So, ito, 4, oh. Okay, we defeated 1. And, complete na natin yung 3 moves arts. So, we will proceed on 4 moves arts naman. So, yan. May libre tayong shield dito. Pero, hindi siya kagaya dati nila Nene at saka doon sa kwarto na unlimited. This is limited time only. Pag natalo mo lahat kasi dito yung mga parang ibon, ano na siya, kumbaga automatic na siya na magpo-proceed sa next event. Okay, so we will proceed on training. So I will show you the moves. So we have 4 now. We will try red ulit muna. Begin attack command. Next is right, right, up, up. Next is right, right, left, right. Okay. So we defeated the second bird. Pa-regen ulit tayo kay Terra. Okay. This one. Begin attack command. The next art is down, 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 up. Begin. The next move or the next art is down, up, up, up. Still alive. Ah. So I guess we completed the 4 moves art and the 3 moves art. Okay, so we will proceed now sa 5 moves art. Since kaya naman ni Noah agad na mag 5 moves art. So for the 5 moves art, let's try down, up, down, left, right. Okay. So at least, di ba, na-learn natin lahat ng available moves sa kanya at the early point of the game para kay Noah. So, nasa yellow ng HP natin, kailangan natin magpa-heal, ulit? Pa-heal. So, yan, sinasabi ko, kung tinatanong nyo na kung gusto na raw natin bumalik, so wag muna. Kasi may learn pa tayong moves. Okay? I guess isa na lang ang ilo-learn natin. Then we try now the Black Cure or the Blackbird. Yan. So for the next move is up, up, left, down, right. Oh my god, lahat na talaga. So I guess na-learn na natin lahat ng available moves kasi at this point, based on the list na meron ako, yun na yung pinaka arts na pwede natin gamitin sa ngayon. So wait pa tayo na pwede pa nating mapahaba ulit itong ating space para magamit natin itong 6 move art. Okay? But for the meantime, okay na yan. Na-learn na natin lahat. So, we will try to defeat the enemy na lang. Okay, so yun. At least nag-level din tayo, no? So, Noah is now level 2. So, I guess, okay na tayo. Pwede na tayong bumalik sa camp dahil na-learn na natin lahat ng available moves. So, we will proceed now to the next event. So, yes. Alright. Okay. So, again, we will follow Terra. Oops, may hiling zoom dito. Sayang yan. Okay, ito sa Terra. Oh, there's an earthquake May lindol Yun lang, may mist na nakapasok dun sa cave nila to Noah Terra. So yun nga, meron nga. May butas daw yung kanilang cave. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon dito, babalik tayo sa pinaka-camp natin. So yun, makakalabas na tayo at makakapunta na tayo sa Mount Ricorua. Oh, sit leader Okay, sige. So at this point, wala na tayo ditong libreng heal. So, ingat-ingat tayo kasi pwede tayong mamatay dito. Dadalawa lang ang nakuha nating pang heal. So, let us now try to do Mirage Lancer. Kasi floating city there Hindi tayo pwede gamit ng low move dahil hindi rin tatama. Oh, sakit. Okay. I guess dito sa southern part yun ang kalaban ko. So, another enemy or another monster na short lang siya. So, hindi tayo pwede gumamit ng high move kasi hindi rin tatama. So, kanina kay Teeter is slow. Dapat ang hindi natin gamitin move. Ngayon, high. So, tingin tayo dito nang wala masyadong high. I guess this one. Oh, no. Mali. Okay. Itong Sonic Javelin and then Blizzard Dash. Oh, dilaw na ang buhay ko. Oh my God, sana umabot ako. Okay. So ngayon wala tayong problema kasi si Terra is nag-auto heal yan during fights. So wala tayong problema. So yan, pwede na rin tayong lumabas at papunta ng Mount Ricoroa, the Genesis 3. Okay, let's proceed. So kasama natin dito si Terra lumaban pero hindi natin makokontrol si Terra. Yan. So tayo see, auto heal. Pag nasa yellow stage na yung buhay mo, automatic nag-heal si Terra. Kaya okay lang na bugbogin tayo dyan. At the same time, need shield si Terra. So gamitan natin ng matindi. Down, up, left, down, right. Okay. So hindi ko siya kinokontrol. Si Terra, saan ko siyang gumagalaw ng sarili niya. And minsan, hindi rin umaatake ito sa Terra ha. Randomly lang siya umaatake. Pero once na nag-yellow ang buhay mo, automatic heal ka naman yan. Okay, we gain another item, Healing Leaf. So, malaking tulong yan. So, nag-comment siya, you're doing well daw. We pick another item, Healing Shroom. Again, Spirit. Okay, na-shield natin lahat. So, our goal is makalabas dito sa Snowdrift Cave. Kasi, yun lang yung daan papunta Mount Ricoroa. So, see, auto-heal tayo dyan. Auto-heal tayo ni Terra. And additional na rin information, kung gusto nyo magpa-level dito sa area na to until level 5, pwede. Kasi kasama nyo naman si Terra. Okay? Pwede kayo magpa-level as long as kasama nyo si Terra at hindi pa kayo nakakapunta sa summit ng Mount Ricoroa. So, magagamit niya pa si Terra dito para i-heal lang kayo ng i-heal. Okay? So, see, we already level up again. So, level 3 na tayo and we receive another item. So, later on sa laban, magagamit natin yan sa boss fight. Okay? Okay guys, we are now successfully exit the Snowdrift Cave. So, ang gagawin muna natin ngayon is isa-save natin yung game natin, yung progress natin. Okay. Then, we will check the status of our character, si Noah, level 3. So we do not have any skills yet. Again, no magic yet. But we do have now arts or moves, no? So, makikita nyo, ang dami. Rushing Gale, Tough Loves, One Driver, Burst Step, Dolphin Attack, Mirage Lancer, Blizzard Dash, Sonic Javelin, Acrobatic Blitz, and Lizard Tail. And so yun ang status natin for Noah. And at this point, we will end our video mga guys, mga ka-gamer. And I would like to say thank you again sa lahat ng nanonood ng aking video. Please continue support my page. Just follow Kiros TV. Like and share my videos guys. Especially sa Facebook at sa YouTube. So again, thank you very much po sa lahat po ng nanonood. And again, this is Kiros for Kiros TV. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Have a good night guys.